Seagulls over the ocean. Seagulls fly over the ocean looking for food, soaring and gliding in the soft breeze high above. They move so gracefully with the wind drift. Listen to their cries that echo in the far distance. Sometimes, when they come up over the land, you wonder if they are lost. They seem to be exploring the landscape and end up in unfamiliar areas at times. They stay close to the shoreline that is their home. From time to time, you may see a seagull in towns around noisy factories, chimneys, or high fields. Their travel may seem lonely while being so far away from home. They search for a safe resting place with some companions watching as the evening fades against the blue sky. The lonesome seagulls continue to fly out over the ocean. Their wanderings are over a wide vast of land. Sometimes you wonder where and when they will seek rest as they sail slowly without any effort in the sky.